Yes.
Please, my lord. On the last occasion, your lordship issued notice, but I don't think any reply has come in.
No, we have
But
not
if your
asked,
lordship, yes,
we have not asked for a reply.
except for state of Mizoram, your lordship issued notice to all of those in the state of Assam.
Yes.
So
Now, my lord, if your lordship's permit me,
Just a
if your
moment.
lordship's permit,
Instructions. The advocate general has some instructions. Let us see.
yes, Lordship, there was a direction to furnish the postmortem report in seal cover that I have, and I have received detailed instructions. I would like to file a affidavit that will basically take care of the final prayer. They have an interim prayer that the postmortem should be done with Doctor most probably Mizoram. They have specified. So Lordship will look into these postmortem reports, which are in seal covers, and thereafter, if necessary, I will make my arguments. But I
Please,
have not,
my lord,
I have not privy to the postmortem report.
Okay.
But there is no reason to disbelieve the postmortem report because it has been done by Silchar Medical College, with all qualified and.
please, my lord, I'll keep the postmortem. Please, my lord, I'll keep the postmortem report aside. What we are seeking basically is, as in the Manipur fake encounter cases, we are seeking an order.
We do not want Assam to become Manipur. That is my main concern, Lordship. That's why I am appearing in this case. I will make my arguments. I do not want Assam to have the same fate as it is happening in Manipur.
Let us hear Mr.
So,
Collins.
sir, now, yes, my lord. The prayer in the petition basically is that there should be a CBI investigation immediately. Now, my lord, I want to, if your lordship permits me, I'll take 3 minutes and show you 3 1-minute videos. If you don't mind, my lord, kindly permit me, I'll show this to you immediately. 3 1-minute videos, which show the accused in the police.
Video we are not seeing right now. We have it in a pen drive.
Yes, my lord.
At the appropriate time, not today. Because we have
Yes, my lord.
we have a single bench again.
Yes, I would like to file affidavit, Lordship. I have received complete instructions.
So I'll finish in exactly about 10 minutes, maximum, my lord.
Yes.
The petition is about taking an extrajudicial execution by the Assam police. They say it was an encounter and a fire exchange, and because of that, these boys died. Now, my lord, these 3 videos which we've given your lordship will show these boys being in the custody of the police, taken in an auto with their hands tied, taken out of the auto with their hands tied, taken in a somewhat jungle area, etc. And ultimately, the bodies are found in some area with bullet holes and so on. In the custody of the police, videographed. So, my lord, this is the case where no matter what they may say orally, they will find it very difficult to put up a case of exchange of fire and genuine encounter. That's point number 1. So, my lord, we are asking, our main prayer in the petition is that the CBI should take over the investigation immediately. And, my lord, we are asking all the police officers, there are 6 police officers whose faces can be identified from those videos. CBI takes over immediately to arrest the persons who are identifiable in the video. 6 police officers. The video has captured all their faces. And, my lord, FIRs be registered and investigations begin. That is the crux of our thing. Interim final, we are finishing, my lord, in 10-15 minutes. Now, my lord, I rely on one judgment of the Supreme Court in the Manipur fake encounter case. And that I'll give your lordship is 2017 8 SCC 417 para 23 onwards. There, my lord, there were no video, no clear-cut evidence like here. And there the Supreme Court said, para 23 to para 26, CBI to investigate and the CBI to put together a team consisting of police officers from outside the state. We have a clear-cut, my lord, case law to guide this case. So, my lord, they have to say, they have to, don't go on the track of post-mortem. On post-mortem, I'll say now in 2 minutes and finish. But I'm urging your lordship, please don't let them go on that easy track of post-mortem. Why we want the post-mortem to be done by independent doctors? Possibly from the state of Mizoram, because Mizoram is close by and they can fly doctors down immediately and do the post-mortem. Yes, my lord, the post-mortem may reveal 3 things. First of all, as my lord, we have seen in the other fake encounter cases, the post-mortem will reveal whether the boys were killed. These young men were killed at a distance or they were killed at close range. Secondly, the post-mortem will show whether they were shot from the front or shot from the back. And thirdly, the post-mortem will show whether, my lord, if it's at close range, then there'll be carbon deposits on their body because of the... And, my lord, thirdly, the post-mortem will show, my lord, whether they were in a lying down position and then shot, or whether they were standing up and then shot. These are the 3 reasons we want the post-mortem report. And we say, my lord, kindly direct State of Mizoram to send any 2 post-mortem people. They can fly down. They can fly down to Assam, do the post-mortem and go back. So, my lord, these are the 2 prayers. And my only request is, my lord, don't allow them to divert this track on the post-mortem track. When we have the faces of the police officers caught in the video, then, my lord, those persons have to be arrested on the spot. And, my lord, we want the CBI investigation to be done. With that, I finish, my lord. And my final arguments also will be very cryptic and short. They have to file an affidavit. They have to file an affidavit. They have to file an affidavit on how do they justify this video. That's the main thing, my lord. I have seen the DGP statement, long story on how there was exchange of fire and videos. That's the main thing, my lord. Grateful, my lord, for today. I do that. Tell me softly.
Just a moment. We are going
That's all, my lord, for today.
we are going to
I'll see the affidavit when they file it on the videotaping and the killings. That's the